Rotary International is a global network of more than 1.4 million people of action, spread across over 200 countries and geographical regions, united by one shared belief that service has the power to transform lives. Across the world, Rotary members work tirelessly to fight disease, support education, empower communities, protect the environment, and promote peace and goodwill. Established in 1989, the Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City proudly carries forward this legacy of service. For more than 3 decades, the club has remained committed to creating meaningful and sustainable impact through healthcare, education, youth empowerment, vocational training, and humanitarian initiatives. Guided by Rotary International's 2025-26 theme, Unite for Good, the club dedicated the year to service with compassion, collaboration, and purpose. One of the highlights of the year was the 24th annual charity ball, hosted at the Royal Bhutan Embassy. The evening celebrated fellowship, generosity, and service, bringing together members, families, dignitaries, and friends in support of Rotary's humanitarian mission. The club extends heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency Major General Wetsop Namgyal, Mrs. Dozam, and the distinguished staff of the Royal Bhutan Embassy for their gracious hospitality. The year also strengthened Rotary's international friendships. Past President Sandeep Khanna hosted visiting Rotarians including Edita Rakoskete from the French Rotary Onis Club, La Rochelle, and Jeannie Rosenthal, President-elect of the Rotary Club of Scarsdale, New York. These interactions encouraged meaningful exchanges of ideas and discussions for possible future collaborations under global grant initiatives.
The club's Balwadi project continued to nurture young children between the ages of 3 and 6 years. Currently supporting 50 children, the project provides teacher support, nutritious meals, regular health camps, medicines, nutrition supplements, and celebrations that create joy and belonging for every child. Throughout the year, children celebrated festivals including Diwali, Christmas, Independence Day, and Children's Day with songs, dances, games, gifts, sweets, and cultural performances creating moments of happiness and care beyond the classroom. The Rehabilitation Center continued to support 25 special children through therapy, education, nutrition, transportation, and early intervention support. Children participated in cultural celebrations, performances, therapies, and recreational activities throughout the year. As part of vocational inclusion, 5 children also began computer literacy training at DESDC, opening new opportunities for learning and confidence building. The Digital Employment and Skill Development Center DESDC project empowered youth through training in digital literacy, banking, finance, accounting, and employability skills. 4 batches with total 72 students were enrolled during the year. Despite initial dropouts in the first batch, the center successfully trained 27 youth, many of whom secured placements in reputed companies and corporates including My Money Mantra, Bajaj Finance, and Paisa Bazaar. The project continues to prepare economically weaker youth for dignified employment and financial independence.
The Comprehensive Vision Center at Madanpur Khadar continued to transform lives through accessible eye care services. During the Rotary year, the center served more than 7,000 patients through OPD consultations, provided over 1,600 subsidized spectacles, conducted nearly 1,200 fundus tests, and facilitated 266 cataract surgeries, including 108 free surgeries for needy patients. Under the Child Eye Screening Initiative, more than 28,000 children were screened across schools and under our door-to-door program. Nearly 1,900 free spectacles were distributed, and 55 eye surgeries were successfully completed for children in need. Women empowerment remained a major focus area through the club's Singer Skill Development Centers at Lodhi Estate and Gurugram. During the year, 50 girls and women received training in stitching and tailoring skills, helping them move towards self-reliance and livelihood generation. The club also actively worked toward connecting trainees with employment and home-based earning opportunities. Training workshops were conducted in collaboration with Singer India, while designers and organizations were encouraged to provide work orders for products such as bags, potlies, and home linen items prepared by the trainees. A collaboration with young designer Gayatri Atwal further helped create entrepreneurial exposure and practical earning opportunities for the women trainees.
Healthcare remained a major focus area throughout the year. The club organized 4 cervical cancer vaccination drives, vaccinating 468 girls, along with additional awareness sessions promoting prevention and early detection. Several monthly health camps and awareness programs were also organized at schools, Balwadi centers, and community locations, covering menstrual hygiene, preventive health care, nutrition, and wellness. A major milestone was achieved through support to St. Stephen's Hospital. Under CSR partnerships with DP World and Ummid Housing Finance Limited, the club contributed support for the renovation of the pediatric OPD, along with the donation of ICU monitors to strengthen critical healthcare infrastructure. Support was also extended to Mukund Lal Katyal Charity Pathology Center through donation of medical equipment aimed at providing diagnostic services at free or concessional rates for economically weaker patients. The Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City continued its remarkable contribution towards saving lives through blood donation drives. During the Rotary year, the club organized 29 blood donation camps and collected an outstanding 1,051 units of blood. These camps were conducted in collaboration with corporates and institutions including E&Y Gurugram, Midland Credit Management, HDFC Bank, Tata Steel, Accenture, Bikanerwala, Grant Thornton, Oberoi Hotel, and several educational institutions and community organizations. Each unit collected represented hope, compassion, and the power of collective service. The club also supported Vidya Bhavan Mahavidyalaya, Lodhi Estate, through CSR support received from Gulermak, India, by donating 20 computers and a printer for upgrading the computer lab, ensuring that every student has access to individual digital learning facilities.
The year also witnessed vibrant fellowship and meaningful engagement among members. The club hosted several distinguished speaker meetings featuring eminent personalities including Lieutenant General Zmeer Uddin Shah, Professor Ravi Mehrotra, Padma Shri awardee Pratibha Prahlad, His Excellency Juan Angulo, Ambassador of Chile, Sharon Lowen, and other experts from healthcare, culture, defense, and public policy. Alongside these enriching sessions, the club regularly conducted board meetings and club assemblies to review ongoing projects, discuss club matters, plan future initiatives, and strengthen administrative coordination and fellowship among members. Members also came together through memorable fellowship events including the nostalgic retro musical night, the Radio Man, the festive Christmas fellowship lunch, warm family fellowship dinners, and the Presidential Installation Fellowship hosted by President Pramod Grover, all of which strengthened bonds of friendship, camaraderie, and togetherness. The RCDGC Golf Series, hosted at the prestigious Delhi Golf Club, provided opportunities for fellowship, recreation, and networking among members and spouses. Youth empowerment remained a key focus area. The club successfully organized the 16th Annual Interschool Extempore Debate Competition, a prestigious two-day event held at India International Centre. The competition witnessed passionate participation, thought-provoking arguments, and exceptional public speaking talent from schools across the region. DPS Greater Noida branch emerged as winners, while Modern Public School, Bhiwadi became the runners-up. The event was supported by the Interact Club of Kulachi Hansraj Model School, whose enthusiastic participation added tremendous energy to the program.
The club also actively supported 4 Interact clubs: Kulachi Hansraj Model School, Springdale's School, Nirmal Bharti School, Vidya Bharti School. These young interactors participated in social service projects, environmental drives, awareness campaigns, and leadership activities throughout the year. The club also undertook environmental initiatives including tree plantation drives in partnership with schools and Interact clubs. Students pledged to protect and nurture nature, reinforcing Rotary's commitment toward environmental sustainability. The Rotary Club of Delhi Garden City extends heartfelt gratitude to all members, donors, CSR partners, volunteers, schools, hospitals, supporters, and well-wishers who stood together in service throughout the year. Every project, every camp, every celebration, and every act of kindness became possible because compassionate people came together with a shared purpose to serve humanity. As we conclude this meaningful Rotary year under the inspiring theme Unite for Good, we now step forward toward the coming year's vision, create lasting impact. Together, let us continue transforming lives, building hope, and creating a better tomorrow. Thank you for listening.